Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Number 1. During the Battle of the Trench or Ghazwa-e Khandaq, who was appointed as the supervisor of Medina in the Prophet's absence? Answer is Ibn Maktoum Raziyallahu anhu. Number 2. Which prophet is referred to as Pir-e Kanan? Answer is Prophet Yaqub alayhi salam. Number 3. Where is the headquarters of the Organization of the Islamic Conference OIC located? Answer is Jeddah. Number 4. In which mosque was the order of keeping the Qibla direction of prayer changed from Jerusalem to Kaaba in Mecca? Answer is Banu Salma Mosque. Number 5. Mother of Hazrat Isa alayhi salam, Jesus. Answer is Hazrat Maryam. Number 6. What is the title of Hazrat Ali Raziyallahu anhu? Answer is Haidar. Number 7. Who was the first caliph of Islam? Answer is Hazrat Abu Bakr Raziyallahu anhu. Number 8. In the belly of which animal did Prophet Yunus alayhi salam remain? Answer is fish. Number 9. How many takbir are offered in Eid prayer? Answer is 6. Number 10. Which is the first month of Islamic calendar? Answer is Muharram.